many field biologists in Alberta, June is devoted to the study of birds, and field biologists at Fiera Biological are no exception. This June, while we conducted breeding bird surveys in parks and natural areas within the City of Calgary, we sensed movement behind us and turned to find a pair of cautious but curious coyote pups observing us from the mouth of their natal den. For about 15 minutes, we filmed while they played coy and provided us with great images and some perspective. While watching these wild animals, one might imagine that we were in one of Alberta's vast wilderness parks, rather than simply an open space within a large urban city. The point of our work here in Calgary is to validate a model we've developed that predicts the varying degrees that features within the urban landscape, such as streets, freeways, suburbs, golf courses, and office buildings, impose barriers to wildlife movement. Simply put, the principle of concern is that the more frequent and severe the barriers that lie between islands of natural habitat, the less ecological function these habitats may have. These coyote puppies are examples of medium-sized mammals that are capable of surviving in urban environments even when natural habitats are poorly connected. Not all species are so well adapted. City planners typically put a lot of effort into the design of transportation networks that ensure people can get where they need to be when they need to be there. In the same way, the network of parks and natural areas within a city needs to consider the commutes that wildlife must make throughout their life cycle, to ensure access to shelter, foraging areas, breeding sites, and natal habitats. If we are thoughtful about how we plan our urban parks and open spaces, we can ensure that wildlife can access and move between the habitats we set aside for them.